What is common between baking soda, bleaching powder and soaps? All of them contain bases. What are bases? Bases are the hydroxides of alkali metals and alkaline earth metals. Some examples of bases are sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, and calcium hydroxide. The molecular formula of sodium hydroxide is NaOH, potassium hydroxide KOH, magnesium hydroxide Mg whole OH whole 2, calcium hydroxide Ca whole OH whole 2. Properties of bases. Bases are bitter in taste. Bases change the color of red litmus to blue, phenolphthalein to pink, and methyl orange to yellow. Bases react with acids to form a salt and water. Bases are slippery to touch. Bases produce hydroxide ions in aqueous solutions or solutions containing water. Some bases can also accept protons from a proton donor. Aqueous solutions or molten bases dissociate in ions and conduct electricity. Now, what is the difference between an acid and a base? Chemically, bases are opposite of acids. However, some strong acids are able to act as bases. Bases and acids are seen as opposites because the effect of an acid is to increase the hydronium ion concentration in water, whereas bases reduce this concentration. Chemicals or substances having the property of a base are said to be basic. Bases that dissolve in water are called alkali. Basicity, however, is not the same as alkalinity. Metal oxides, hydroxides, and especially alkoxides are basic in nature. Now let us learn some definitions of a base. According to Bronsted-Lowry concept, a base is a substance that can accept a proton or H+ ions. According to Lewis concept, a base is a substance which donates an electron pair. The pH of a basic solution is more than 7. Now let us learn about some bases and their applications. Sodium hydroxide is used in the manufacture of soap, paper, and the synthetic fiber called rayon. Calcium hydroxide or slaked lime is used in the manufacture of bleaching powder. It is also used to clean the sulfur dioxide released as exhaust from power plants and factories. Magnesium hydroxide is used as an antacid to neutralize excess acids in the stomach and cure indigestion. Sodium carbonate is used as washing soda and for softening hard water. Sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate, commonly called baking soda, is used in cooking and for making baking powders. It is also used as an antacid to cure indigestion and in soda acid fire extinguishers. Ammonium hydroxide is used to remove grease stains from clothes. Basic solutions in water conduct electricity because they produce hydroxide ions.